Hey everyone, I hope that you guys are all doing well and shining your beautiful light bright. I just had a quick word that I wanted to share with you all. You want to know the best way you find out who someone is? Do this one thing. Do this. Sit back and observe. Sit back and observe who people really are. Shut this. Silence this. And watch. These right here, they will tell you what you need to know about someone. These are the truth. This, not what you hear. You hear a lot of lies. And sometimes people see the truth and still cannot accept the truth. There is power in sitting back and just observing your environment, observing people, paying attention to what people are doing versus what they're saying. A lot of people talk a good game, but a lot of people don't live what they preach. A lot of people don't put into action their thoughts. A lot of people do this. A lot of people do thought, words, and then action. From words to action, people lack that bridge. People don't bridge it. People just do thoughts, words, thoughts, words, thoughts, words. Not enough action. Action should be the second thing. It should be thoughts, action, then words. Stop watching people's mouths and watch what they're actually doing with their actions. That will tell you everything that you need to know. The most powerful thing that you have is being able to control this. If you're able to control this, you're able to control the world. Because watch how people, they just go on and on and on about themselves, about their lives, about this and about that and what they're about to do, and the actions are not matching the words. When you observe, you don't move with emotion, you move with intention. When you're constantly not reacting or engaging with other people, you see people for who they really are. Just sit back and observe and watch them, and you're gonna see how they engage with each other, how they talk to you, what body language they use, what's their demeanor when they're speaking to you. You gain emotional intelligence when you're just able to sit back and observe people. You don't need to ask anybody anything. They will show you what they value. They will show you their morals. They will show you their principles. They will show you exactly who they are. Silence and stillness say more than words ever could. And also, observing protects your energy, which is something that we don't protect. We don't protect our energy because we constantly want to be the center of attention. We constantly want to flaunt. We constantly want to make our lives seem better than what they really are. We constantly want to come off as if we have our shit together and you have it all figured out and you're not going through anything. But like, that's not reality. When you're a human, you go through stuff. So pay attention to those people that make it seem like their life is, all perfect, all grandiose, all luxury, all... You don't know what that person is going through behind closed doors. You don't know how they see themselves. All you have to do is just sit back and observe. That will tell you everything that you need to know about that person. And when you sit back, you're not judging. You're not labeling. You're not critiquing them. You're just watching. Have you ever just sat back and watched some of your family members? Like really just sat back and watched some of your family members and just be like, what are they doing? How they act will tell you everything that's going on within their head. Because the most important thing that you can do is control your actions, control your words, control your thoughts, and control your emotions. When you do those things, you have the keys to life, the key to advancement. I promise you. So I just wanted to say this real quick, get it off my chest. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. See you later, guys. Bye.